All right, teachers, let's talk student-led conferences. Here's a quick refresher.
This is all about making sure the day runs super smoothly for everyone involved.
The main goal here? To let students take the lead in talking about their own growth.
First things first, unpack student-led with your class and build these I can statements together.
Okay, let's jump into the prep phase. This is where your guidance is absolutely key.
These little things, choosing work, adding reflections, they make a huge difference. Don't skip them.
So, how can they actually present their work? Well, it's time to get creative.
The key is to offer different styles, letting students find what really clicks for them.
Now, this is super important. Practice. You've got to build in plenty of time for rehearsal. This is what builds their confidence and helps them really nail down what they want to say. All right, on the big day, you're shifting from the sage on the stage to guide on the side.
Basically, the student is the star of the show. You're the director, making sure it all runs smoothly. Okay, so what about after the conference? Let's talk about reflection and growth.
A quick debrief with these questions helps them process everything and think about next time.
Now, let's not forget the parents. Supporting them is a huge part of your role.
Give parents these key messages. It helps them understand their job is to listen and support.
Sentence starters are awesome for helping parents give that positive, constructive feedback we're looking for.
And giving them some questions ahead of time. That really gets a good conversation going.
At the end of the day, it's all about celebrating each kid's unique journey and progress.